Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video you learn to use pad, bucket and mirror. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we'll create this profile. We have the dimensions here. And we will extrude this 40 millimeters. So open the FreeCAD, go to Start New Sketch, select this plane, select Polyline, make this sketch here. And go to Dimensions. The distance here 140 millimeters, 60 millimeters here, 20 millimeters here, and the distance between these two lines is 10 millimeters. Now leave the sketch and go to Pad, the mode, select Symmetric, and the length 40 millimeters, and press OK. Now we will create this cut here, this circle and this two line here. So this circle has 10 millimeters of radius, and the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 40 millimeters. So let's create this. Select this face and go to create a sketch. Select a circle. Make a circle here 20 millimeters of diameter. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here 40 millimeters. Now select Polyline, click here, make this sketch here, and go to Constraints, select Horizontal Vertical, select this point and this point here. The distance between these two lines is 80 millimeters. So go to Dimension, the distance here 8, and the distance here we use 20 millimeters. And go to Trim, cut here, and leave the sketch. Go to Pocket. The length here is 20 millimeters, and press OK. Now we will make this radius here, 20 millimeters of radius, so we'll make this cut. To make this cut, we'll create a sketch like this. Where the radius is 20 millimeters. So select this face and go to create a sketch and go to external projection, select this arc and select the arc from center, click here in this point, the radius here 20 millimeters, the angle 0 and make an arc here. The angle here, 180 degrees. Let me see what is going on here. Now select Polyline. Select this point. Make a sketch here. Go to Dimension. The distance here is 60 millimeters. The distance here 30 millimeters. And let me remove this line here, sorry. Make this coincident and go to Constraint, select Horizontal Vertical, select this point and the center of this arc. And the distance here 30 millimeters, just to remove this area. Leave the sketch and go to Pocket, the length 20 millimeters, and press OK. We made this one. Now to create the other side, we use the mirror. So go to Mirror, select this body, and the plane here, select Wax Z Plane. And press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.